Looking for a fun and engaging way to give your child a brain break? Sensory bins are a simple and effective DIY activity that can help kids refocus, relax, and have fun. Let's explore how to create the perfect sensory bin tailored to your child's needs and interests. Creating a sensory bin is easy and fun. Here's how you can build your own. Choose the right container. A plastic tub, a small bucket, or even a sturdy cardboard box will work. Gather sensory materials. Fill your bin with items like rice, beans, pasta, sand, water, or small toys. Theme your bin. Make it exciting by incorporating your child's favorite themes: dinosaurs, farm animals, construction vehicles, or even outer space. Now, let's explore a few creative DIY sensory bin ideas. Calming sensory bin. Use soft textures like cotton balls, muted colors, and gentle sounds like rain sticks to create a relaxing experience. Stimulating sensory bin. Incorporate bright colors, various textures, and interactive objects like scoops, funnels, and squishy toys to encourage exploration. Themed sensory bin. Turn your sensory bin into a fun learning tool. Add numbers, letters, or themed objects to reinforce learning in an enjoyable way. Sensory bins offer numerous benefits during brain breaks, including screen-free fun, a wonderful way to step away from digital devices and engage in hands-on play. Quiet time and creativity. Whether used for independent play or guided exploration, sensory bins encourage creative thinking. Skill development. Kids enhance fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and sensory processing while playing. Sensory bins are an easy and customizable way to provide meaningful brain breaks for children. Whether you want to create a calming retreat or an exciting adventure, the possibilities are endless. Personalize your sensory bin based on your child's interests and needs. We'd love to see your sensory bin creations. Share your ideas and experiences in the comments below. Happy exploring!